In question 20, we're told Lara spends £1.25 on a drink and £1.60 on a sandwich. So in total, she has spent £1.25 plus £1.60. So 5 add 0 is 5. 2 add 6 is 8. And we have to be careful with the decimal point. We'll bring it down and line it up. And 1 add 1 is 2. So we have £2.85. Now they've also said that Lara has spent only 1/4 of her money. So she has 3/4 left over. So we know £2.85, let's put the pound sign here, £2.85 equals 1/4. Now we want to know how much money she started with. So try to picture this. Let's divide this into quarters. Lara has spent 1/4 of her money. And we know this quarter is £2.85. And we need to work out the total. So our calculation will be £2.85 times 4. So let's do that here. £2.85 times 4. Now again, what I like to do is I like to remove this so I've got a whole number. So I'm going to move this decimal point 1 place and 2 places to the right. So now my calculation is 285 times 4. So I can do that on a column multiplication. So let me remove this. 285 times 4. So I'm going to multiply the 4 by every digit on the top. So it'll be 4 times 5, which is 20. I put the 0 down and I carry the 2 over. Now I'm going to do 4 times 8. So let me have a look. 8, 16, 24, 32. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. Add the 2 that I've carried over, becomes 34. So I put the 4 down and I carry the 3 over. Now I do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 3 is 11. So I put the 1 down and I carry the 1 over into the next column. So now I have 1,140. Now what did I do here? I moved the decimal point 2 places to the right, and now I have to undo that. So my decimal point is here. So in this number, my decimal point is here, and you have to know that. It's good to know that. So in your head, this is what's going on. Now we need to move back twice. 1 and 2. So now my decimal point has come here. So all I simply do in my mind, I remove this and this. And my number now is 11.40. And because it's money, I can say it's £11.40. So Lara had £11.40 to start off with. With question 21, we're given 5,542 divided by 17 equals 326. And they want us to work out 18 times 326 in an easy way using this information they've given us. So let's write this down here. 5,542 divided by 17 equals 326. So that's what they've given us. And I want something with 326 and a times 18. So what I'll do is I'll remove this and I'll take it across. So whenever you move a divide across an equals to the opposite side, it changes to a times. So what I have now is 5,542 is equal to 326 and that divide becomes a times 17. So now I know 17 lots of 326 is 5,542 and 18 lots of 326 will be 5,542 plus one more lot of 326. And that's the calculation we need to do. So we'll go over here and do column addition. 5, 5, 4, 2, add 3, 2, 6. We have to be careful that we line everything up. So 2 add 6 is 8, 4 add 2 is 6, 5 add 3 is 8, 5 add nothing is 5. As before, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is our thousands. So it's 5,868. 5,868.